you thought Chromebooks are just for classrooms or casual users? Think again, because ChromeOS evolving into a sleek, cloud-first operating system. The game's changing. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. Today's Chromebooks are some of the best budget-friendly laptops, perfect for students, casual users, and even light professionals. Leading the pack is the HP Chromebook Plus 15.6-inch, a top all-rounder with a vibrant full HD display, premium build, and solid productivity performance. At $549.99, it's near the top end of Chromebook pricing, but it's got similar specs as a Windows laptop. If you're on a tight budget, then the Acer Chromebook CM14 is your pick. For just $299, it delivers great battery life of over 9 hours and reliable performance for everyday tasks like browsing and streaming, even if its MediaTek processor isn't made for multitasking. For fans of two-in-one versatility, the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2 360 is a standout. With a gorgeous QHD+ touchscreen and tablet functionality, it's ideal for creatives or students, though the CPU and battery life are average. And if you're looking for something mid-range, the Acer Chromebook Plus 514 does multitasking, comes with greater port options, and strong battery life for $399, though the fans can get a bit noisy under pressure. Lastly, the Acer Chromebook Spin 312 is a compact, travel-friendly 12-inch device with a flexible 360-degree hinge and 11-hour battery life. Perfect for on-the-go users. Just don't expect powerhouse performance. Whether you're looking for portability, value, or versatility, the Chromebook market in 2025 has something for everyone. So, which one are you choosing? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Best touchscreen Chromebooks of 2024. A good Chromebook offers everything that a regular laptop does, but the addition of a touchscreen gives it an upper hand, like MacBooks. Touchscreen Chromebooks offer numerous levels of interactivity for everything, from playing games to working professionally while allowing users to treat their laptop as a tablet. Chromebooks are available in different shapes, sizes, and prices. If you're planning to buy one, GadInsider is here with a list of the best Chromebooks available in the market. Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i Chromebook Plus. The Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i Chromebook Plus has similar features to its predecessor, offering a 13th generation Core i3 1315U processor, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage. It has a 14-inch touch display. It's a good option for doing office work or watching your favorite TV shows due to its 10 hours of battery life. It's available for $499 at Lenovo stores. Acer Chromebook Spin 311. It's one of the most affordable touchscreen Chromebook options available in the market. It has an 11.6-inch touch display with HD resolution and ultra battery life that goes for over 15 hours on a single charge. It's available for $200 in stores. Acer's Chromebook Flip CX5601. Are you looking to expand your Chromebook screen size? If yes, the Acer Chromebook Flip CX5601 is the perfect choice for you, offering a 16-inch touchscreen. It also features stylus support, allowing users to write notes or make sketches. It's available for $599 at Best Buy. Lenovo Chromebook Duet 5. The Lenovo IdeaPad Duet 5 Chromebook offers a high-end 2-in-1 display. It has a 13.3-inch OLED touch display. It also offers a detachable touchpad and keyboard. It has a battery life that can go up to 15 hours. It's available for $369 at Lenovo stores. Acer Chromebook Plus 516GE 2024. If you're looking for a Chromebook that can handle both work and play, you must try the Acer Chromebook Plus 516GE 2024. It offers a gaming dashboard that allows users to capture and share their gaming moments with friends. The long-lasting battery life works as a power source during extended gaming sessions. It's available for $649 at Best Buy. Google's next big secret is out, and it could change every laptop you buy after 2026. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back. Google's long-rumored Super OS is no longer a myth thanks to a slip-up in a new job listing. we finally have the name of the Google giant's desktop reboot, Aluminum OS, an Android-based AI-loaded operating system heading straight for PCs in 2026. For years, Google has been hinting at a future where Android and ChromeOS meet. First, ChromeOS quietly started borrowing Android tech. Then Google admitted it was building a ChromeOS experience on Android. Now the leaked listing spells it out clearly that Aluminum OS is real and it's coming fast. The job post, which was hunting for a senior product manager, describes Aluminum as Google's new AI-first operating system designed for laptops, tablets, detachables, and even streaming boxes. The OS will power devices from entry-level all the way to premium and mass premium. In easy words, Google wants Aluminum running on everything. But here's the twist. Aluminum won't instantly replace Chrome OS, at least not publicly. Internally, engineers are already using terms like non-aluminum Chrome OS and Android desktop, strongly suggesting Google's preparing a quiet transition. It may even keep calling it Chrome OS at first, just to avoid panic. And keep in mind, this is the biggest Chromebook shakeup in over a decade. Android-first laptops could solve long-standing app issues and bring real built-in AI features. But the risks are huge. Will these new machines be stable, manageable for schools, compatible with older software, or will millions of users wake up to a system that suddenly feels like nothing that they bought? Aluminum OS is Google's boldest desktop move yet, and 2026 can't come fast enough. Hey tech fans, Lenovo's new Chromebook Plus just dropped with mind-blowing Gemini AI features that'll change how you work and play. Is this the ultimate laptop for 2025? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this AI-powered beast. Lenovo's Chromebook Plus 14-inch is packed with Google's cutting-edge Gemini AI tools, exclusive to the sleek flagship. From smart searches to auto-organized tabs, this laptop is bringing the future to your fingertips. Ready to see what it can do? Keep watching. Google's Gemini AI steals the show with two killer features. First, Select to Search lets you long press the launcher or snap a screenshot to instantly search on-screen text or images via Google. Perfect for quick research. You can even import text to Google Calendar or workspace apps like Docs or Sheets. Second, the Gallery app's AI can remove backgrounds or create stickers automatically. Plus, a grouping tool organizes your tabs and docs based on your tasks. These run on device for speed and privacy. How cool is that? Lenovo Chromebook Plus 14-inch is a powerhouse. It rocks a MediaTek Companion Ultra chip with 50 TOPS, an 8-core ARM-based processor, and Wi-Fi 7 support. The 14-inch OLED display boasts 1920 by 1200 resolution, 400 nits brightness, and a touchscreen option. With a 256 GB storage and 16 GB RAM, it handles multitasking and even supports dual 4K monitors. This is next-level Chromebook performance. This launch shows Google and Lenovo are all in on AI to make Chromebooks smarter. The Gemini features make work and creativity effortless, while the Chromebook Plus's specs rival premium laptops. It's best for students, pros, or anyone wanting AI-driven productivity. Could this be your next laptop? Lenovo's Chromebook Plus 14-inch packed with Gemini AI and ready to level up your workflow. Whether you're editing images, organizing projects, or searching smarter, this laptop has got it all. Are you grabbing one or waiting for more reviews to come in? Drop your thoughts below. That's the scoop on Lenovo's Chromebook Plus and Gemini AI. Are you hyped for the AI search tool, or is that OLED display stealing the show for you?